Next is your least square method. Okay, I already sent the formula for least square method. Why we find least square method as well. Okay, so for least square method we need to find the solution of this system of equation, that is ax is equal to b, which is already given to your example, that is x1 plus x2 is equal to 7 and minus x1 plus x2 is equal to 0, x1 plus 2x2 is equal to minus 7. Also in this example, find the orthogonal projection of b on the column space of A. Okay, so first of all you need to convert the system of equation into the matrix form. I already converted. So your main matrix A is equal to nothing but 1 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2. Okay, we take the transpose of this because we are going to use this thing in your example. So I already take the transpose of this, so this will become row of this matrix is 1 minus 1 minus 1 and second row is 1 1 2. Now next we have matrix B here, which is equal to 7 0 and minus 7, that is your column vector. Next in this, first of all we are going to multiply A transpose with the A. Your A transpose is this and your main matrix is this. So multiplication of these two, we will get the answer is 3 minus 2 minus 2 6. Okay, similarly you have to also multiply your A transpose with your column matrix B. So I already multiply this term. I will get the answer is 7 14 and minus 7. Now next thing is your main equation of the least square method, that is A transpose multiply with A multiply with x is equal to A transpose multiply with B. Okay, so A transpose into A, we already find 3 minus 2 minus 2 6. Okay, we place here x, that is nothing but your, you can say here x1 and x2 and your A transpose with B, we have the values 14 minus 7, I place over here. We all know how to solve this. We are going to use your row echelon form. Okay, that means we are going to convert the system of equation into row echelon form. For that, first of all we need augmented matrix. So what is your augmented matrix? Combination of these two, A transpose with A with A transpose with B. I place all the value and convert it into row echelon form. So I use the transformation. First of all, I multiply your last row, that is your R2, with 1 and add it to your here your first row. Okay, so minus 2 add with 3, that is equal to plus 1, 6 add with minus 2, that will give you plus 4, 14 plus minus 7, that is equal to plus 7. So 1 4 7 minus 2 6 minus 7. Next multiply your first row with 2 and add it to second row, so you will get the answer is 1 multiply with 2 added with this minus 2 plus 2 0, 4 multiply with 2, that is 8, 6 plus 8, that is 14, 2 multiply with 7, that is 14, minus 7 plus 14, that gives you plus 7. And the last, I'm going to multiply 1 by 14 with R2, so you will get the answer in your last row, that is 0 1 and 1 by 2. Okay, now I'm going to convert this term into your equation. So we will get the equation x1 plus 4 times x2 is equal to 7, and last equation x2 is equal to 1 by 2. So you get the value of x2, right? Now place this value in your first equation. So we have x1 plus 4 by 2 is equal to 7. That means 2 divided by 4, that is equal to 2. 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5, that is your x1. Okay, now for orthogonal projection of B on the column space of A is what? Is nothing but A into x. You have the value of x, x1 and x2. We already find the value of x1, that is 5, x2 is equal to 1 by 2. So orthogonal projection on of B on A is equal to A multiplied with x. So I multiply your main matrix with this value 5 and 1 by 2. You will get the answer is 11 by 2 minus 9 by 5 and minus 4. That is nothing but your orthogonal projection of B on column space.